I never promised you
828 back here for Tuesday's B Team. I had an error I made earlier. 5 plants you can't kill. That's what we teased. And Gary said almost can't kill.
Almost can't kill. The plastic ones, you can't kill those ones.
Yeah.
These ones are all living, so they're just difficult to kill.
Okay,
Yeah.
This is good. Easy maintenance to bring some greenery into your place. And we're going to start with the cast iron plants, yeah?
Yeah, okay, so what better place to start than a plant called cast iron plant, because it's as tough as a cast iron pan. So it's a nice leafy plant, and it can do like really low light, so you can have it in a fairly dark location, and it has these nice fleshy roots in there so that if you forget to water it, then it's going to hang on for a little while until you do remember and notice it and give it a little bit of water.
What are we looking
really
at?
Tough.
Frequency of food and water for a plant like this?
You know, probably once a week in the summer, but you could probably go a couple weeks in the winter if you forget.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good, eh?
Speaking my language here. The agave.
Agave, or century plant. So this is where tequila comes from. Oh, one of the species gives us tequila. So these guys are great succulents. They're a little dangerous, so you have to be careful. They can draw blood. But they are, of course, a succulent. You don't need to water them very much, and they're actually pretty amenable to low light conditions in the wintertime. So they really would love to be on your patio for the summer, out in the sun, but in the winter they'll come inside and they won't stretch like some of those other succulents that people bring in, like the Echeveria. So that's really good. Although a lot of people tell us that they kill succulents, which is kind of funny. Most people kill succulents with kindness, so they water them too much. So make sure the soil in your succulents always dries out before you water. And when in doubt, don't water. Wait another week.
Good tip right there. These plants right here, no roots on some of these?
No roots. So these are air plants, Tillandsias, and so these grow on rocks and trees in tropical and subtropical areas. So all you do is you just do fun things with them. So you can put them in little cages, you can put them in little bowls, and all you do is you give them a rain shower once a week. Pretty simple, because when they're growing on the trees, they absorb all of their nutrients and all of their water through the leaves. So take them into the shower with you once a week if you want to get more intimate, or just put them in the sink. But put them in the sink when you're washing some dishes afterwards, and let them soak for a little while in a nice rain shower in the sink.
Okay. We have 2 more to go through. Only a few seconds left. Take us through.
All right. Clivia, easy, kind of like the cast iron plant, and this one gets orange or yellow flowers, and these really pretty kind of reddish fruit that last for a long time. So
nice.
Really pretty.
And this one you're saying is popular on Instagram?
The fiddleleaf fig is all over Instagram. It's all over the design shows. It's modern. It's cool. It's a funky plant for kind of a bright corner in your apartment or your house.
And that's this one right here with the beautiful leaves. Okay, listen, Phoenix Perennials, that's the place to be. You've given us confidence. Maybe I'm going to shower with some of these plants in the winter season. Thanks for the ideas, Gary.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, we'll take a break.